Thank you for coming to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Forex and stocks. So I recently started to be interested in stocks and Forex, and it's been about 2 months since I started my account using Trading 212. Initially I practiced it about 2 weeks on the demo account, and after I found myself confident, I then switched to real money. So I'm going to show you what I've gained, the stocks that I've traded or that I've invested in, and also my CFD account, which is contract for difference. Let me share with you anyway. So this is my account. This one is my CFD real money, you can see here, and these are my open positions. So Forex, I have been interested in USD to Canadian dollar, New Zealand dollar to United States dollars, again USD to Canadian dollar, and also Euro to USD. And Euro to USD has been my main target in Forex because I see it to be less volatile and also to be more liquid. So I'm going to show you here what I have actually gained. So in my trading account, which is done on leverage, I have, let me see what I've gained. So there you go. Where is it? Why do I see the results? Yeah, so total amount I have gained is £2,679, and they're mainly USD to Canadian dollar, or some Bitcoin as well. I've done Bitcoin, sorry, I forgot to mention that. I have done a lot of there you go, I've done NEO on leverage. I have done USD to Euro Xpeng, which is a Chinese electric vehicle, as well as NEO, which I'm going to talk about those two stocks, as well as investing in them. I also do trade them on leverage. You can see Xpeng, USD, Euro, Xpeng, NEO, Xpeng. So I could say that my main focus has been on crypto, which is Bitcoin, NEO, which is a Chinese electric vehicle, Xpeng, another Chinese electric vehicle. They have been really doing well recently. In currency, I have been trading USD to Euro a lot. As I mentioned earlier, I find it more liquid and less volatile. So I could say my let's go to the first trade I did. Where is that? That was the beginning of the trade, but let's go to recent. Yeah, so you can see I started only around the 2nd of November 2020, and as today's recording this video is the 17th of November. So exactly 15 days I have gained about $3,200. $200, which is about £2,700. So this is my CFD account. As I mentioned earlier, these are my open positions. So I've got USD to Canadian dollars, New Zealand dollar to USD, Tesla, again USD to Canadian dollar XPeng, and then I've got pending positions, Euro to USD, British Pound to USD, Ripple, which is another cryptocurrency, crude oil, but these are not fulfilled, so they are still pending, Brent oil, and then NEO again. So these are pending positions. I'm waiting for them to be executed. Now, one thing to remember, and this is my advice to anyone who's in trading, always put stop loss. So here you can see I have positioned to buy at 1.18 dollars, that's the euro, and selling at 1.185, and if it happens, the profit would be $1,800 approximately. But I do have a stop loss here because I don't want to risk it. Sometimes this currency can drop a lot, and I don't want to risk losing a lot of money. So on every single trade I do, I always have a stop loss. You can see here, even on Ripple, which is a cryptocurrency, crude oil, I have a stop loss here again. So yeah, this is my CFD account. Let's go to my investment account. Oh, remember guys, I have invested, or I have deposited about £24,000. So this is the amount that I have. I actually deposited less than that because including what I have gained is equal to £24,616, which is approximately 30 something thousand dollars. Yeah, so this is my CFD account, and let's go to my investment account. Okay, so I initially started on investment, and my return on investment is higher than the trading. The investment is less risky if you know which stocks you want to trade or you want to invest in. Let's say investment rather than trading, because on this account it's more about the companies that you want to invest in them for a longer term than short-term trading. So let me tell you the story of NEO. So I got to know NEO when it was initially published, the IPO, initial public offering. It was around August. No, actually, sorry, I'm talking about XPeng. XPeng's initial public offering was around August, and I actually invested about £10,000 in NEO, and I had a good return. I sold it around $26. I bought around $20 when it was first published, and then I sold around 26, and then I bought it around 27, and then went up to 30 something, and then sold it, and then bought it again. So because XPeng has been going up for the last 3 months, I've always been making profit on that stock. So just to let you know, XPeng is a Chinese electric vehicle, very similar to Tesla. NEO is exactly, let's say, the same as XPeng. They build more luxury electric vehicles. They're based in China, and their prices have gone up dramatically. If you invested $10,000 in NEO last year in December, you would have made about $240,000 because it's gone up by 2,500%. So I got to know NEO when it was around $20 again. I invested about £5,000, and then I made a profit of about 50%. So let me just show you my history of my okay, so total return, you can see £6,463. This is my return of investment, and mainly in NEO, XPeng, you can see here. You can see, oh, I actually did some Apple and Tesla initially, like around August, and I actually sold my Tesla when it was around $498, the highest price, because I thought it was getting to the level where it's actually overvaluated. So I did actually sell my Tesla around August. Let me show you if I can see. Okay, so this is Apple, you can see here, XPeng, some Apple as well. But I'm always interested in startup companies rather than already established companies, because they have better chance to gain you more money. But you really need to find out about those companies before you can invest in them. You can't just go on the computer and buy new arrival companies. You need to know a lot about those companies. You need to know pretty much everything from their CEO to their factories, their reports, what they're making, if it's a service company, what services they provide. If it is a manufacturing company, you also need to know where they operate and where they invest in and what direction they're going in. So I'm just trying to find you my Tesla trade. That was when I tell my friends that I sold Tesla at $490 something, they would say it can't be possible, because this is the highest price actually Tesla has ever reached. Let me see if I can find it using can I find it? No, don't think so. Okay, so let me go to I know it's a bit irritating, guys, but I'm just trying to find you. Oh yeah, another thing, Li Auto, it's another Chinese electric vehicle. So in China you have three main electric vehicles, EV, which are NEO, XPeng, Li Auto, as well as BYD. It's another electric vehicle, but BYD also creates also makes a fuel vehicles, ordinary vehicles that use fuel, basically. Yeah, Tesla, here you go. This is rejected, so where is it? Tesla, Amazon. I just remember that I did actually invest in some other smaller companies, like where's Tesla? I think I saw Tesla here somewhere now. That's been cancelled. I don't want to. Anyway, guys, I don't think I am able to find it. But yeah, so my main focus on the investment has been the new startup companies, and these are the electric vehicle making companies, which are XPeng and NEO. So this is my open position. So I've got 183 XPengs. I bought it at $44.49, and the price at closing time was 43.90 cents. But I know it's going to go up, so I did not sell them. I know the result is negative, but when the market opens tomorrow, I'm pretty sure that the price will go high. And by the way, NEO is actually reporting its third quarter earnings tomorrow, the 17th of November. It's actually today, but I haven't slept yet. I still call it midnight. So in about several hours, NEO is going to report its quarter income. So guys, this is my Forex and investment account portfolio. I think as a beginner, I don't think I've done it bad. I'm still skeptical about the whole situation. I know there is gain and loss, but to stay in the market, to keep your account not from being negative, you really need to bear the cost of losing, not just making profit all the time. So I would highly recommend anyone to always have a stop loss. Thank you for watching, guys, and I would like you to make your comments if you have any questions, or if you want to share anything to me. Please do subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you for watching again.